Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is where we share tips and tricks on how to make money from websites and online stores. In today's video, we will learn the differences between web hosting and a web server. Okay, let's get straight down to it. The term web server and the term web host can be very similar. They sound similar? Well, they both start with the word web. And today, I'm going to explain the difference between them. Now, the first thing I want to define is actually what a server is, because some people may not know what servers are. So a server, in its most simplest form, is a machine which provides a service to other machines. Think of it as a data center where all the data is stored and transferred to other locations. That's basically the purpose of a server. The word server is a really broad term in the IT world. It can mean a lot of different things because there are a lot of different types of servers. As a matter of fact, most small businesses usually have a server in their office to store shared files and accounting data. Okay, let's move on to web servers. Well, web servers is a specific type of server. A simple explanation is that web servers are computers that deliver web pages for you to visit and access. Every web server has usually a domain name and an IP address. For example, if you type the URL of YouTube into your browser and hit enter, that will then send a request to the web server of youtube.com, where they will process your request and then return the correct page for your viewing pleasure. So now you have a grasp of what a web server is, let's move on to what a web hosts are. Web hosts are basically the companies which provide servers. They also carry out the upkeep and the maintenance to the machine and keeps those servers running. So you can host your website on it for a cost. Some of the common ones are Bluehost, Hostinger and GoDaddy. Any platform where you're going to be storing a website or hosting a website, you'll be required to pay a monthly fee. If you go on Hostinger right now, you'll be paying 99 cents a month to access a web host. They will host your website on their server. There are other types of servers out there like proxy servers and mail servers. Most people will purchase web servers. That's the service these hosts are providing. Companies like Hostinger and Bluehost do this really well and also very cheap, like 99 cents a month. You then just pay them a certain amount for the upkeep and for the data storage. So just to summarise, servers are essentially powerful computers that run software or provide services to other computers. A section of this are web servers, which are servers which host essential internet websites and provide access to their files and services over the internet. Don't forget, you cannot host a website without a web server. Because web servers are expensive, this is where web hosts come into play. Web hosts actually provide you with a space on a web server in return for a small monthly fee. Websites like Hostinger, Bluehost and GoDaddy all provide these services as they are all web hosts. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you do have any questions, please just pop them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the description below there is a link which will allow you to access a more detailed explanation of this and where you can receive some special discounts. And I'll see you again in the next video.